Hello bikers and bike enthusiasts, I hope you're doing wonderful today. Welcome to Bearded Outlaw. My name is Arvin and today we're going on a trip. Hey guys, so today we are headed out to Lake Geneva. I got my USB charger on here, so my phone should be charging the entire time so I don't have to worry about the battery dying. Yep, charging. We are going to first make a quick pit stop at Doc Bar and Grill. We're going to rendezvous with IronJMoto there and a couple of his friends, and then we're going to go up to Lake Geneva in Wisconsin. The weather is beautiful today. It's not too cold. It's a bit chilly, but it's a whole lot better than yesterday. So we have more than half a tank of gas. Hopefully that should be enough to get us there. Let's see. Ooh, look at that car. So now we are 12 minutes away from Doc Bar and Grill. It's 8 miles away. It's going to be a nice quick ride to warm up the engine. Guys, I'm telling you, if you do not have a motorcycle, get one, because this is fun. This is so much more fun than driving a car. I get driving a car on a beautiful day, but man, this is a whole other level. Feel the wind, you can smell everything. I can smell the grass. It's a whole other level. God, this is such a beautiful road. Except for the wind, I don't think you could have asked for a more perfect day. I'm actually really excited because it's going to be my first time going on a group ride with, well, a group. I was going to say more than 2 people, but that's not a group. Oh, look at that lake. Yeah, so up here in northern Illinois, you have so many lakes. Alright, let's see who got here first. There is Doc's. Let's see if there is a bike or two here. Nope. Looks like I am number 1. Alright guys, so we made it here first, so we are going to be waiting for IronJMoto and them. Apparently there's a parking lot in the back that goes up to the lake, and here it is. Yikes, that is pretty freaking steep. Oh, there's someone here. I guess that's Diamond. That is IronJMoto's friend. Let's go meet up with them. Yeah, how you doing?
I'm Diamond.
Yeah, Arvin.
Good.
I got a Harley too.
Yeah.
I'm the only one. I'm the only one here with the Yamaha.
So that Royal Enfield is yours, or?
No, that's my cousin's.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we're doing like a little collab. He's like in India, and yeah.
That's a badass bike.
That is, yeah. All right, so I got the GPS set to Lake Geneva. So IronJMoto and his dad are up there. And I'm just waiting for him to start this up. I want to hear how it sounds. Ho ho. Make sure my kickstand is up. The number of times I have cut the engine off because I forgot to pull up the kickstand. God, this is such a bad pavement. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little scared going down it at first because I've never been on a steep, decline like that ever. Alright, I guess it's just the 3 of us. His dad's not here. How you doing, man?
Nice. Yeah, my dad fucking couldn't make it, dude.
Alright guys, so we're here at Doc's Bar and Grill, and we're here with IronJMoto and his friend Diamond. Got here my oddball out, the Yamaha. Got this badass Harley. Look at that. I am loving that purple on black. That looks really nice. Oh, and look at that wheel. That is a nice ride. Then of course you guys have seen this one before. Man, I like that. I like the purple on the black.
So if you see here, come here. So this paint is a limited edition. So It's only 150 bikes like this.
Oh wow, and this is 127. You mind if I sit on it?
Yeah.
Second Harley.
Boots, bro. I tried riding in boots, but like it's harder for me. Like my ped's so small, I can't even feel it.
Yeah, I know.
But yours, you get the.
Yep.
Oh man, so when you're riding, you're gonna have to keep your feet like all the way out here?
Yeah. Yep. I'm keeping it here.
How tall are you? Because I'm like barely touching it. This is badass. Alright guys, and off we go to Lake Geneva in Wisconsin, and it is 44 minutes away, so it is going to be 44 minutes of fun, pure riding. Alright, we're good. Alright, I guess we're gonna top up on gas here before making our way up. I am at half a tank. It should be more than enough to get there, but better safe than sorry.
Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat.
We're well on our way to Lake Geneva. We're riding through Bolo, Illinois. It's a small little town, northern Illinois. And we've met up with another biker. Got this nice beautiful lake over here. I've driven by here so many times, but I have no idea what it's called. Views and views. Oh man, that is beautiful. Wow, look at this. I definitely need to come back through here in fall. This will look pretty. Woo! It is windy. So we've been going north for a while. I'm not sure if we've crossed into Wisconsin yet. I think we're still in Illinois. I'm not very familiar with this area. Gonna make a right turn here on Route 12. Wow, look at gas. It is $1.57 here. That is so cheap. Holy crap. Gas for $1.19 a gallon? That is insane. Never seen it that cheap ever. Looks like we're in Wisconsin. American fireworks. We are 7 minutes out, so we're almost there. It got cloudy all of a sudden, and it got real cold real fast. So here I am, hoping the sun comes out again soon, because I like warm. So here we are, boys and girls. We got our 3 bikes here by Lake Geneva. So the town is empty at the moment because of the whole COVID pandemic, but I'm told this is the place to be when the weather is really nice and everything is open. So we got to Lake Geneva, we chilled here for a bit, and I'm not gonna lie, it got really cold and I'm not wearing enough. So we're gonna head over there. There's a snake something road. I'm hoping it's twisties. I think that's what this bike is made for, so hopefully I can have some fun. Keys. I'm gonna need keys. So here I am with 2 Harley Davidson motorbikes. I gotta make friends who have sport bikes, because I feel out of place. The odd one out. So we're gonna take this road, head towards Snake something road, and hopefully it follows this lake, because this is beautiful. Oh, it's Snake Road, not Snake something road. So, wow, look at this. Route 29, next 2.6 miles. You see that? That is what I'm looking for. Twisties. That was enough fun. And wait for them. And here we are back at the lake. Oh man, that is just majestic. That is beautiful. Look at that. Views on views. I'm definitely coming back here when the weather is warmer. Yeah, looks like we're gonna stop here by this lake for a bit, enjoy the views. Check it out. Alright guys, so we are done here, and now we are going to head south. We're going to go back to Illinois. We're going to go to Woodstock for a little pit stop, and then probably head back home. Since I'm the only one with the phone mount, I get to be lead. So we just went to the gas stations, and the Harley's topped up because number one, gas is cheap here, and also they don't have a fuel gauge. But I'm averaging 47.3 miles per gallon, and I'm only down 1 bar, so I'm doing pretty good on fuel. Got an hour and 1 minute, 40 miles to go. Let's hope for another fun ride. The sun is out again. When the sun is out, it feels a little bit warmer, but I am way underdressed. I gotta wear more next time. I had a pretty good time today. It was my first group ride, first time as a leader, which is more or less the same as riding alone because you don't get to see the other bikes. But yeah, I had a very good time. Definitely had fun hanging out with IronJMoto and his friend Diamond. I honestly have no idea where I am or how to get back. I'm really glad I took the time this morning before the ride to wire up the USB charger. Otherwise, we'd have to stop everywhere and try to remember you know, how to get back. We'd have to memorize the route. This way I got this nice display right in front of me, guiding me along, and I can just focus on the drive. So guys, we stopped like a mile before we got to the bar. As you can see, the weather, it's starting to rain. It looks like it's just that one little rain cloud. Hopefully it goes away. I think I'm going to end the video here today. So we met up with Diamond and IronJMoto. We went up to Lake Geneva, had some fun there. We had a little bit of twisties, and well, now we're back. So all in all, I'd say that was a very good day. Had tons of fun. It was my first group ride, and hopefully in the summer we can do more of this. So I'm going to end the video here, and remember, you don't get old because you stop riding. You stop riding because you get old. So don't stop.